Now let's learn how to convert semi-structured data like JSON into table. So first things first, we need to click on get data. Then this time we'll be clicking on more, because if you look, JSON by default is not present. We need to click on more. Now here we'll be getting in under the all, JSON is present. Let's click on it. Let's click on connect in our Power BI desktop. Next we need to browse our input file. Let's browse the sample orders file from our local computer. I'll double click. So this time this directly loads into the Power Query editor, and the sample we can see here, the order ID, the customer name, customer city, the items products, quantity, the price. So that's how we load. The process is simple, right? If we are fine, if no transformations are required, we can choose close and apply, or apply close, anything. So that's what it goes for this tutorial. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.